concern din siguro, isa dito sa lumabas ng FGD na ayokong magtrabaho ng retail kasi nakaka-stress. Yung maliban sa 60s a week ka nandun, ayaw mo yung humaharap ka sa mga customer na hindi mo ideal. Of course, the younger generation want work-life balance. Is there something in our labor policy that tries to address that concern, Micah, about workplace wellness, well-being of our workers? Or is there something that the government has done or can do to at least provide minimum standards for that?
Yes, I think, let me put it up. Ano yan sa presentation. It's one of the department orders about mental health. It was drafted during the pandemic.
Sabi ko po kay Micah, hindi ko kita ko-corner. I think nagkamali.
May thesis ata tayo.
I think nagkamali ako ng hito. Sige, gawa niya.
Yeah, DO number 208.
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
The series of 2020, the guidelines for the implementation of mental health workplace policies and programs for the private sector. So, one of the triggers ng service yun nga, during the pandemic, it was one of the causes din, yung mental health.
Yes.
Because bigla tayo na-isolate.
Yeah.
Okay, sa amin, mga introvert sa bahay. Mga extrovert.
Okay na ako, may kasama mo sa
So, it's one of the policies ng DOLE naman. Which sa atin pa rin ang siyang ngayon.
But this still applies.